Big morning. It's November 11th, and today marks the first step of this garage build series that we're going to do. I'm going to document every step of the way here. Step one is having to get this oak tree out of the front yard. I'm going to turn you around here, and really this is the best place for this building. My lot is it's a 1 acre lot. It's a good size, but it's a little bit narrow but long, and we have a 7.5 foot setback on the sides and a 50-foot setback from the front, which is right up there. So basically where this tree is, it's kind of right where the building needs to go. And this tree was not a great tree. It wasn't a pretty tree. It got beat up during the last couple of storms, and had some damage, had some disease, and just needs to come down anyway. So we're gonna have to do that, and we're gonna have to get this. Woo, that's a big one.
That's what she said.
We're gonna have to get the stump also removed, which is gonna require an excavation company and that come out and actually dig the stump out, not just grind the stump, because that could possibly leave decaying grinding clippings from the root in the soil and decay over time and leave kind of a void or possible sinking issue in the future for the concrete slab. That crunch sound, that cracking sound, the sound you hear during the hurricane the whole time too. Oh, unbelievable. All right, so this is the build here that we're looking at, and I have put a deposit down on this build. It's a 30 by 55. It will have vertical sides and vertical roof, and we have the one walk-in door here, which will be creating putting a wall here and framing this section in here for office for my real estate business and hangout area. And then three 10 by 10 roll-up doors. It is 12-foot walls with a 312 pitch. I got about 7 windows here. See if we can kind of step in the door here and get a little virtual view. And it will be 4 foot on center for the framing. Allows a little bit easier. Anything you're using 4x8 sheets of plywood, drywall, things like that, and you get a 170 mile per hour wind rating when going 4 foot on centers. And again, this will be the end section here will be for office, and maybe do like 8-foot ceilings. You could still have some room above, or on top. Maybe figure out how to, lay plywood or something like that to do some light storage on top as well. And this is the color palette, most likely. My house currently is light gray with a dark roof. And about 7 windows here all around. Starting to go. Felt it from over here. Yeah. All right, so tree guys are done, at least for now. You can see that we still got a good sized stump here, and that was a request by the stump removal company. They actually want something pretty big to grab onto and to use as leverage.
That's what she said.
And I had the tree guys save one of the big slices of the big part of the stump here to use as maybe a coffee table or a side table or something. We'll try to get this cleaned up. This edge here is not right, but get it cleaned up and sand it, finish it, and put some legs on it or something. I think that'll be cool reminder that this tree was here, and but we did have to take it out for the shop, and we'll use it in the office. Here's a quick glimpse of what the back of the lot looks like. We are on a small lake here in Lutz, Florida. Pergola structure was the last project of the house. So on to the next, big garage time.